everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Do you want to know about FCFed.com reviews? If yes, then watch this on-base review and know about either this is a legit or a scam store, as the website is getting attention of the customer from different part of the world, especially from United States. So let's check out the detail. It is an e-shopping site that deals with top brands footwear including Nike, Air Jordan and Adidas. The company has presented the latest collection of shoes at 50% discount. That is why people are quite curious to check out the detail. Let's check out the specification of the website. It is HTTPS secure website. The website is dealing with footwear. They have shared the email address which is not matching the domain name and it can be one of red alert. But let's check out the detail in depth. They have shared their physical address. For delivery they need 5 to 9 business days. No detail have been shared in form of return policy. You can track your order. No information have been shared for refund policy. It was created on 9 September 2021 just for 1 year. Like it will expire on 9 September 2022. It has a short life expectancy date. Reviews are not available. The positive point of FCFed.com are the portal sells a great variety of shoes. The store allows you to track your order with ease. Negative point of the website are the products on the website having no review. The web page lacks social media icons. No social media page found for this website. The domain name is not available on mailing address shared by the company. The portal lacks the details of business establishment on its about us page. So the question is FCFed.com legit or a scam? So let's check out some other detail in depth. As we discussed, it was registered on 9 September 2021 and it will expire right after 1 year. The portal does not have any social media icons. It is not active on either Facebook or Instagram. The website has shared suspicious contact details. The identity of the owner is hidden. The details of its policies are not shared. The content of the portal seems to be copied from some fraudulent website. The company has not provided the detail of acceptable payment gateways. The website is poorly designed with trust rank of 1.9 and trust score of 2% out of 100. It uses HTTPS protocol, but one must be aware that it does not mean that the platform is secured. So as we all know that in reviewing the site, reviews gives us a lot of help to know about the legitimacy of the website. So as we discussed, it is registered 1 month ago. No customer have shared their reviews regarding this website. Moreover, this looked like some scam portal. That may be a reason that customer not willing to shop from this website. Moreover, the website has put down 50% discount, offered trendy sneakers and claims to provide the best of its services. And above all, the customer are not ready to shop from this store, make the website suspicious and shady. So we do not recommend you to buy any item due to the red flags we shared with you regarding this website. And if you have a personal experience of shopping from this store, please share your views and experience right in the comment box. We love to hear from you. Moreover, your experience and reviews help the new buyer to decide either they should go for shopping from certain platform or not.